This is the tutorial for The Lonely Pine by Nancy Faber from Lesson Book Level 1, Piano Adventures. So go ahead, open up this book on the page with The Lonely Pine. And this page is actually 20. Okay, so open up it on page 20. Look, how can you find your first note? So first you have to look which hand's starting, right? And you can see that the right hand has a rest, right? So that means your left hand is going to be on the third beat, right? So how do you find the notes that you're starting with? If you look at the left hand notes, well, what is your first note? First note means the lowest one, okay? The lowest one at the bottom, okay? So you gonna look in what clef you are. You are in bass clef, right? And in bass clef, the note that's on the second line from the top is always gonna be F. How do you find your F note, okay? And remember, you have to play F with your pinky, okay? Because that's what it says right there. And it says your pinky has to play F. So how do you find F? So first find 3 black notes. You see the group of 2 and 3 black notes, right? And to the left from those 3 black notes is going to be your F right here, okay? So don't mix it up with this F, because this F is actually above middle C. So middle C is right here, and this is middle F, right? And you need first bass F right here. Okay, one more time. Try to find F. Found 3 blacks. Here's your F. One more time. Find 3 blacks. Here, and here's your F. Put your pinky right on F. Okay, so what is your next note in left hand? Next note left hand is middle C, and you probably already know how to find middle C. But if you don't, here are the 2 blacks. Here's the middle C. 2 blacks, middle C. Okay, let's try it one more time. Find middle C with your thumb. Okay, so those are 2 blacks. Here's your middle C. Okay, now let's practice finding both of those notes, F and C together. So you see those 3 notes, you see those 2 notes, and next to it, right here, your pinky gotta go to F, and your thumb is gonna go to C. And you play them together like this. Okay? And if you look at the beginning of the piece, you will see that it goes in 3/4. Okay? So let's start it together, starting with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, hold, hold, up. 1, 2, 3, hold, hold, up. F, A, C. Now right hand, right hand, right hand. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. Okay, let's do it one more time, just left hand. Okay, now we're going to follow the dynamic. Remember that left hand is going to play piano all the time because we don't want to hear this loud sound. Okay, let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, up. F, A, C. Looks like my cat decided to join the lesson. Let's see if I can do anything with her sitting on my laps. She probably wants to play piano as well. That's a bonus for you. My cat playing piano with you. Okay? So let's start it one more time. Just the left hand. Okay? And remember, you have to lift it like this. So again, find F with your pinky. Here's pinky, F, here's your F. Find C with your thumb. Here's C with your thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, up. F, A, C. F, A, C. And the cat was singing outside, as you can hear. Okay, now we're gonna practice your right hand. Okay, with the cat and the right hand. Can the cat find high E that you're supposed to start? Right here, yes, that's right. E is right there. Okay, let me see if you can find your high E without cat. How do you find high E? So here's your middle C, right? Here's the high C, middle C, high C, middle C, high C, middle C, high C, okay? And how do you find your high E? Because that's exactly the note you have to start your right hand with, okay? So one more time, middle C from two blacks to the left, and high C from two blacks to the left, okay? And C, D, E. E is right to the right from two blacks, to the right. That's your E, okay? Middle C, high E. Okay, now let's try to find high E without looking at middle C. Okay, just look in those two blacks and then finding E right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, E. Now practice one more time. So take your hand off. 1, 2, 3, E. Okay, let's see if you can make it faster. 1, 2, 3, E. 1, 2, 3, E. 1, 2, E. 1, E. Okay, feel free to stop this video and watch it again, trying to find your E. Okay, so let's try it with the right hand. And right hand starts actually with a silence, because the first squiggly thing you will see, it's a quarter rest. That means you have to be silent for one beat, like this. 1, and only on 2 you're going to play your E, okay? So you play 3 E's on the row, like E, E, E. And what is the next note? It's the high C. And as you can see, you can play it with your thumb, okay? So it's going to be 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, rest. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay? So that was the beginning, first 4 measures. Now let's try entire thing with just right hand. I'm going to count you off like this. I'm going to give you empty measure. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, left, left, move. F, A, C, left. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you see how your right hand had to actually shift your first finger, jumping from C to F. So let's practice this. We're going to play E, C, and then switch to F right here. So let's practice. 1, 2, 3. E, C, move to F. F, okay? So one more time, just the right hand with a count. I'm going to name the notes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1. E, 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 C, 2, rest. E, 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 C, 3, F, A, C, F, A, C, left. A, F. Okay. So let's try to play both hands together. Okay, you're going to start with the left hand. Your right hand is going to start right here. So before we start, let's practice finding those notes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, left, right. Okay, left is going to play F and C together like this. And right is going to play E right here. Okay, let's practice finding it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now let's practice just find it without counting off, or counting off a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, found. 1, 2, 3, found. Now a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, found. 1, 2, 3, found. 1, 2, 1. Okay. I hope you were quick enough and were able to find those notes. Okay. Now let's try to play everything together. The Lonely Pine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, left. I'm so lonely. Left. I'm so lonely. Come build a nest in me. I'm so lonely. Okay, so watch those hands. What are they doing? And try to repeat. We're going to do it one more time, a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. 1. I'm so lonely. And I'm so lonely. And pinky. And first finger. And left hand. Third, 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 first. Okay. Last time a little bit faster with the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, left. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, left. 3, 3, 3, 1. So your right hand is actually moving between C position and F position. C position and F position. So your thumb starting on C, and then your thumb moving on F like this. C, F, C, F, C, F. Okay? 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, and then your thumb moves to F. 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay, I hope that was helpful. That's for very, very beginners who are just starting to learn the notes. Good luck with this little lovely piece, The Lonely Pine.